Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Fractal Bitcoin. We're back. Welcome to today's Bitcoin news video. This channel is about Bitcoin. It's also about the collapse of fiat currencies, but it's mostly about your future prosperity. Let's always keep that in mind. Let's get right to the Bitcoin price. Today, right now, we're at 67,430, but earlier today, you can see we came all the way up. We actually touched 70,000. And then we crashed all the way down to 66,400. Now we've come up about 1,000, but this is all normal. You know, look, volatility is not a bad thing, so it's okay. But yeah, Bitcoin Archive is saying that the summer consolidation is almost over. Bitcoin's pushing for a strong monthly close. After that, fire, watching for ETF demand to be hot after Trump's weekend speech. This could be a big week. Yeah, in general, it could be a big week for sure. Of course, this is the chart going way back to, 2016. And yeah, we're poised. We're poised. It's going to happen very soon. It could take 3 more months, but we're gonna blast off. It's going to be great. Yeah, and here on the left, here we go. Sold. You think you're right near the top. Sold. And then OS. Yeah, this is what's happening now to a lot of people. And it's been happening for the last, 4 months, right? Ever since right around here, March, when we made the new all-time high, some people sold. And what happens is you get to a place like this and you're like, oh no. So what's the rule? Do not sell your Bitcoin. That's not financial advice, by the way, just so you know. And I've reported on this before, but I think it finally is official. The University of Wyoming launches a Bitcoin Research Institute. Yeah, this is towards adoption. Adoption's going crazy. And I like the way Eric Stacks here says this. Bitcoin is not a threat to anyone. It's a solution for everyone. And this is what people who don't understand Bitcoin yet, and they rail against it, and they say, oh, it's a scam and whatever. They don't understand it. They think it's a threat. The only thing it's a threat to are fiat currencies and governments, authoritarian governments. That's all. And it should be a threat to them. Yeah, here's a good, it's actually it's a chart on a web page. Bitcoin mining, usage of sustainable energy. And you could see back here in 2020, we were at 33% sustainable energy. But look at us now. 56.5% sustainable energy. This is good. This is going to also keep going up because Bitcoin mining is going to be using more and more stray energy that otherwise would just dissipate to nothingness. So utilizing that stray energy, that's not unsustainable. Is stray energy considered sustainable? That doesn't make sense. But anyway, it's not unsustainable energy, right? It's just capturing waste. So yeah, if you want to subscribe to the channel, please do. Or if you're on Rumble, follow if you'd like to. Let's get into a few stories about fiat and government nonsense for context, because Bitcoin solves these issues. Starting with the U.S. government today, moving funds to strategic reserves. They're moving Bitcoin to another wallet. You can see here the U.S. government just moved $2 billion of Bitcoin to a new address. And here's the actual address. You can look it up yourself. But yeah, are they idiots? Are they going to sell? And the answer is, who cares? I mean, this is going to happen, right? Countries are going to do stupid stuff. But I did see another post that this was like a planned move, so we shouldn't get crazy. They're probably not just going to start dumping Bitcoin. This was a planned move. I think they are selling some over time. I think it's like a 5-year plan to sell more Bitcoin. Anyway, not really a big deal. But yeah, let's look at this. Rewriting history in front of our eyes. This is amazing. Look at this. Elon Musk posts, wow, Google has a search ban on President Donald Trump. Is this election interference? And Lex Friedman says, yeah, for me too. When you type into Google President Donald, the only thing it gives you is Donald Duck or Donald Reagan. I mean, this is like Google suppressing searches for Donald Trump. And then here, assassination attempt on Truman, Reagan, Fidel Castro, it doesn't show Trump at all. This is insane. And of course, this has nothing to do with Bitcoin, but this just proves how we are being manipulated. And yeah, look, now Facebook blocks Trump assassination attempt photos. Yeah, this is what they're doing because the government and the deep state behind them, they run these social media platforms. So they're telling Google and Facebook what to do. And this is insane. Just to let you know the insanity. More insanity is Maduro in Venezuela. He started losing the election, so he started shutting down voting sites. And then he did, look at this graph here. This is the Venezuela election graph. Oh, the conservatives were winning, and then all of a sudden, boom. Oh, look. Maduro wins. And look at this. This is a Georgia election graph. Same thing happened. Oh, yeah. Interesting. Interesting how this happens in elections. And yeah, our friend Arkanok says Venezuela just had one of those, quote, most secure elections in history, end quote, coming soon to the USA again. And yeah, it's fraud. Anyway, the world is absolute clown world. And yeah, the U.S. national debt just broke $35 trillion. Congratulations, United States. That's $103,000 per citizen. You know, wars don't pay for themselves. It's just insanity. It's absolute insanity. If you haven't figured it out by now, our entire government is a huge mafia who launders our taxpayer money right back to themselves through foreign aid and endless wars. They all hate you and could care less if you suffer and die horrible deaths as long as they got rich. This is true. If you haven't realized this or figured it out yet, this is absolutely true. It's not hyperbole or exaggeration. This is what's happening. And by the way, just so you know, having a dog named Shark at the beach was a mistake. Imagine you're looking for your dog at the beach. Shark! Everyone starts freaking out. Anyway, that's it. Short video today. This is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. Click this link at the top. Join our locals community. That's what it says. And join our locals community. It's free to join. We're building a community. It's going to take time. You can see I actually posted a bunch of videos from Bitcoin 2024. This is after Trump's speech. That was a quick one. These are all quick ones. This is day 3. Another one. This is day 2. Hello from the floor. And yeah, this is day 1. Anyway, join the locals. I appreciate all you guys. Short video today. There's so much going on. I was getting like scrambled brain trying to get all the articles ready in the news. And so I reported all like the most important stuff, but Bitcoin's getting insane because Trump spoke about it. And I even posted on Nostr and on Twitter about, I have a friend who I talked to about Bitcoin. And basically because of Trump, my friend, after 5 years mentioning Bitcoin to my friend, literally because Trump spoke 2 days ago, now he was interested in Bitcoin, and I set him up with a wallet and I sent him some sats. So whatever you think, you know, nobody wants the government involved in Bitcoin, but like, look, you can't stop it and it's going to happen. And so we need to get more of us, more normies, more normal people into Bitcoin before these governments and big corporations just print money and buy all the Bitcoin. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all you savages in the comments. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Bitcoin news video. All right. See you. Bye.